Hello everyone, in this video I will show you top 70 video repair software to repair corrupted or damaging video files such as mp4, AVI, MOV and more file formats. The video can get damaged or corrupted due to various reasons such as power shutdown, virus attack, and unfinished video transfer interceptor. Now, the first video repair software I will recommend is called the Stellar Video Repair, which has a long period of history in terms of the video repair. Some major features include repairing different file types such as the mp4, 3GP, AVI, and more. One of the most significant features is the preview function, which means you could preview the video and check whether the damaged file could be repaired successfully. Now, another video repair tool I will introduce today is called the Wondershare Video Repair, which has the very similar features as the Stellar Video Repair. For example, it could also support many different types of file formats, such as the mp4 and f4v 3gp interceptor, and the video preview is also supported. Please note that when you try to find some video repair softwares, you may need to try some videos one after another. If one software fails, just try another one. And additionally, you could also try some free video repair software such as the VLC Media Player and Digital Video Repair, as well as some other options. Although these free video repair tools are a little bit complicated to use compared to the paid softwares, they are completely free, so you could take it a try. Besides, if you prefer fixing video file online, these online video repair tools could also become your options. And there are also some factors you could consider when choosing the video repair software. So firstly, say whether the preview is supported. Particularly for some paid softwares, if you could preview and check the video file is repaired successfully, you could continue to purchase license. There, you could just copy our video file before you try to use the video repair softwares in case the video file is further damaged. Now, nextly, I will show you how to use the Stellar Video Repair to repair corrupted or damaged video file. First of all, just visit the Stellar website and find the Stellar Video Repair software. The main features of this software can be found here. After that, now I will show you how to use Stellar Video Repair. Just download Stellar Video Repair, and you could find that the Stellar Video Repair software interface is very user-friendly and is very easy to use. Now here, just select a video file. Please note, as I just show you how to use the Stellar video file, so I just choose a normal video file which works well. After that, click on the repair button. It is very quick to finish this process. If the video file can be repaired successfully, you could preview and check whether the file is repaired successfully. Otherwise, if the video file cannot be repaired, it will show advanced repair. Now, in order to test this, I will just close this and also just corrupt a video file with a corruption tool, and I already saved the video file, severely corrupted file here. Now let's try it again. Select a video file and then choose this one. This severely corrupted video file is corrupted by purpose with some online tools. Now, click on the repair button. It may take some time to finish this process if the video file cannot be repaired successfully. But you could also stop the process anytime. So just be patient, and it needs some time to finish the process. Okay, the repair process completed, but it shows advanced repair, which means the video file cannot be repaired. So just click on the advanced repair and add a sample video. The sample video is the video that is taken from the same device where you're corrupting or damaging the video file. And I just show you how to use the stellar video repair. So I will stop here and do not continue the remaining steps. So the top 70 video repair softwares you could check in this article. Just click on the link below this video and try as many video repair softwares as possible. And keep it in mind that please click on the preview and check whether your video file could be repaired successfully. Thank you very much.